How to upload videos on YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can upload videos on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the YouTube application and make sure that the application is updated to its latest version. If not, you can always update it from Google Play Store in your device. And once the application is updated, open up the YouTube application. And make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in and you land on this home page, if you navigate to the bottom section of this interface, there on the menu bar, at the very middle, there is a plus icon. Tap on that. Then you will land on this interface. Here you get two options. Either you can upload a video from your gallery or you can simply record or sort and then upload. So if you like to select a video from your gallery, tap on that gallery icon from the left hand side of this interface. Now, select the video you like to upload, then tap on done. After processing, then tap on tick mark on this interface. Now, on the next page, you can edit your videos. You can add text to your videos or you can add music, and there are other options as to voiceover and filters to your videos as well. After you're done with that, tap on next. And then you can simply tap on upload sort and the video will get uploaded to your YouTube. Before you upload the videos, there are few more options as to customize your audience, to set the locations, and then other options. And if you like to record and then upload, if you go back and then close this video, now you can simply record it by tapping on this record icon and then again follow the same steps to upload the videos. So that's how you can upload videos on YouTube. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.